Hi, this is Java, his first snow. Look how excited he is. Hi, Java. Java, do you like the snow? You like the snow? Go play in the snow? Get it. He won't put his feet down. He's eating it. Are you eating the snow? Oh, it's all over your nose. It's all over your nose. Get it. Get the snow. He loves it. This is the funniest thing I've ever seen. He's playing with it. He thinks it's like a toy. He's eating it. You like the snow? What is it? Let me see your face. Let me see. Oops. Where are you going? He has his coat on. You have your coat on, Mr. Java? It is snowing like crazy here. You're eating the snow? It's like a rabbit. What you gonna get? Get the snow. That's fun. This is my pond in the backyard. It's frozen and it's covered with snow. It's really pretty. There's a better view. We got pine trees. My little fence. Yeah. That's me. It's really snowing. How are you guys? Miss you. There's my Java. Okay, Java. I'm getting cold. Let's go in. He loves it. I think he'll take a good nap after this. Okay. He's shivering. Are you cold? Is it cold? You need mittens on your paws. Alright, come on, let's go. Good boy, come on.